How we doing today, guys? Rollins 9mm here, bringing you a video. The EDC video. See what we're carrying for 2018, guys. Let's just start off with something here. There we go. Start off with that. It came on, I pulled off a little old light. I forget exactly what this is called. You guys probably know what it is. Old light's a real good product. Let's see. P365 SIG. That's what we're carrying for 2018. Real nice little handgun. A lot of guys are having problems with it. I ain't having none with mine. That's my baby right there. Let's see. An extra 12 round magazine for that. How's that? Let's see. This here is the Neo mag holder. Now, I made a little piece of Kydex with some Velcro inside of there, guys. I put on there just like that. So when I put this in here, I don't never worry about that falling out of there in any way. What else we got? Let's see. The Rats tourniquet. Carry one of them. Carry that for myself. Might need to help somebody else out. It's in the pocket real nice. Just use a hair barrette on there to keep together in the pocket. Works pretty good. A little Gerber box cutter. I get there. So Ohio's got crazy laws about knives, so I just carry a box cutter because that's a tool, it's not a knife. Carry my wallet in the front pocket. Let's see, extra little set of keys to the house, like that. Let's see, anything else? Carry an old cell phone. Galaxy 8. And carry a lighter because I smoke. Never need one. You know when you need one. But you know, that's one of them bad habits. Oh, one more thing. What I carry to SIG in? Vetter holster. Right there. Nice little color and everything to it. They sent that to me for free. I really appreciate that from Vetter. Really love the P365. Just wanted to do a little short video there for you guys. Show you what I'm carrying for 2018. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the little video, and a lot more I have to say. Oh, I do got one more thing. Hold on a minute. Yeah, that's one of the reasons I was standing behind here. Boom. Got the Cobra belt here that I use from Vetter. I've been wearing this for about a year now. Real good belt. Love it. Do have a 511 belt I use once in a blue moon, but this one here I use all the time. My favorite belt. I like it with the Cobra clip on it. fits in the belt loops real good. I don't have to take the belt apart to put it back on. Now you guys couldn't see that, but went right back on. Alright guys, I ain't got a whole more to say. You guys have a real good one. Please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.